What's going on, guys? It's Stock Picks by Tim, and today I'm going to get into Matterport. I'm going to go over a couple articles, a new analyst price target actually by number 31 out of 7,700. Daniel Ives, he knows his stuff. He gave Matterport a new price target, but let's get into this one. Alright guys, so basically Daniel Ives, he upgraded his price target by 25%, and now his price target is actually $38. And his thesis is basically that Matterport's in the early innings of massive growth over the coming years. And I will get into that in another article here. And of course, I'll leave a link to that one as well. But he says, and I quote, "Based on our conversations with investors over the past few months, we believe this tech story remains under the radar among growth investors," he said. "Matterport is one of Wedbush's favorite ideas heading into 2022, he added. And of course, I'll leave a link to this one as well in the description, as well as a bunch of rewards with BlockFi, Voyager, the whole spiel everyone goes through. But anyways, we're going to clip a couple parts out of this. So their revenue rose 87% to 85 million in 2020 and grew 35% year over year to 84.1 million in the first 9 months of 2021. And they are expecting revenues to rise 27% to an end of year $109 million. And now Matterport believes they can generate 747 million in annual revenue by 2025. So just a couple years from now. And that would represent a whopping CAGR compound annual growth rate of 54% between 2020 and 25. And they do expect a massive expansion into the digital twin market. And another thing to think about is that their margins are actually expanding. So that means they're making more profit for what they put in. They get more out. And they are expected to narrow their losses very soon. Now, I do have a previous video going over Matterport and a couple of potential negatives, i.e. warrants, meaning share issuance. But we are going to also get into the chart here, and we do have a very nice sign. And now checking out the chart, just on Friday, we went down about 10%. We went up after hours though, almost 2%. And you will see this very nice double bottom, indicating that could potentially be the max bleed out. But I think over the next week, over the next 2 weeks, you should definitely keep this on your radar. It might go a little bit lower, but I will be picking this up and starting out a position over the next 2 weeks, and I will be adding it. I will be probably adding it in chunks of 3. I will likely throw in a portion next week, twice, and then one final buy-in on the week after, and then we'll see where it goes from there. But I'm going to be building this out slowly but surely, and that's just my plan with that one. But that's basically it for you guys. Let me know what you think in the comments below about Matterport. I'm definitely happy to buy this one. It could potentially drop further, but I do like this stock and I think that it's worth having in your portfolio. Thanks so much, guys, and I will see you next time.